Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share Fiverr gig on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Fiverr application. Once you've done that, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. And here you can see the option of share gigs. Click on that, and here you can see share your gig, get more traffic. So once you are on that page, you can select any of your gigs. So I'm going to select this one, click on share gig, and here you can see the option of share with friends and click on more options. So here you can see that you can see the option of Facebook newsfeed. You simply need to select Facebook newsfeed, or if you want you can share on group as well. So this is a process by which you can share Fiverr gig on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.